How does Cristiano Ronaldo stay looking this young, despite a crazy schedule, training, and global fame? Today, we're diving deep into the skincare secrets of CR7 himself, and yes, you can do it too. Let's glow like a champion. Why Ronaldo cares about skincare? Ronaldo once said, "Taking care of yourself isn't vanity, it's part of performance." He knows good skin is more than looks. It's about confidence, self-care, and staying fresh, even after a 90-minute match. Ronaldo's official grooming line, CR7 by Cristiano Ronaldo, includes hydrating shower gels, long-lasting body sprays, signature perfumes like Game On and Play It Cool, and full hygiene gift sets for a fresh, masculine vibe all day. CR7 shower gel has lactic acid to gently exfoliate and moisturize, perfect post-workout. Play It Cool is a crisp scent with mint, citrus, and woods, perfect for summer. You'd think Ronaldo uses 50 steps, but no. His routine is surprisingly simple but effective. Here's the 5-step CR7 style routine. Gentle cleanser, morning and night. He never sleeps with sweat or sunscreen on. Toner or ice rub, to tighten pores after training. Hydrating serum or moisturizer, especially after flying. SPF 50+ sunscreen, daily, no matter the weather. Facials or sheet masks weekly. Yes, Ronaldo gets facials. Inside tips from Ronaldo. Besides products, Ronaldo lives by 3 golden skincare habits. Stay hydrated 3L+ water a day. Stress-free recovery, sauna, massage, naps. Clean eating, less sugar, more greens and fish oils. Where to buy CR7 products? You can grab County Route 7 grooming products from sites like Amazon. CR7fragrances.com. Beautiful. Store, Pakistan. Prices range from 600 rupees minus 5,000, depending on the set. Whether you're a football fan or skincare lover, one thing's clear: if Cristiano Ronaldo makes time for skincare, so can we. Want more routines from celebs?